Hello everyone, nice to meet you guys. It's very nice seeing you today in this beautiful afternoon in our Hidden Talent session. In this Hidden Talent session, I'm going to share some of my makeup knowledge and some of the makeup history that has a great influence on the makeup we see today. Now you find your group members. Let's have our first discussion. In the first part, I'm going to introduce two special effect makeup genres. They put their brows much higher, so they have lid space to work on this beautiful eye look to make their eyes look bigger. Now that we know about these kind of special genres, I would like to demonstrate our two marvelous models here. I'm going to darken the outer corners to create a sort of dimension to make his eyes look more 3D. We can have 30 minutes for you to try to recreate your own look by using the techniques we have today.